How to clean HP printer heads. Your HP printer acting like a rebellious teenager. Streaky, skipping colors, or just refusing to print properly. Time for a print head cleaning. Here's how to do it the right way, and a few questionable methods when you're desperate. 1. Run the HP printhead cleaning utility. Open HP Smart App, or go to Control Panel, Printers and Scanners. Right-click your printer. Printer Properties, Maintenance tab. Select Clean Printheads and follow the prompts. Print a test page to check if it worked. 2. Do a nozzle check. Print a diagnostic page, usually in the same maintenance menu. If lines are missing or faded, run 1 to 2 more cleanings, but don't overdo it. Ink is expensive. 3. Deep clean. For stubborn clogs. Some HP printers have a deep cleaning option. Use sparingly. If not, try power cycling. Unplug for 30 sec, then retry cleaning. 4. Manual cleaning. Last resort. Turn off and unplug the printer. Open the cartridge access door and remove the ink cartridges. Dampen a lint-free cloth with distilled water or isopropyl alcohol. Gently wipe the printhead where cartridges sit. Reinstall cartridges, power on, and test. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.